Okay, welcome guys. Welcome to today's lesson on ETABS. In today's lesson, we are going to check storey drifts. In the previous one, we checked the storey displacement, and the storey displacement was just from the total height from the basement to the height divided by 500 to get the maximum permissible displacement. But in storey drift, we are going to check it, and storey drift is the difference in displacement divided by the storey height. So to check that, we'll go to the same place, display, show tables, and after that, instead of choosing this displacement, you unselect it in this displacement, unselect it to unselect all and choose storey drift. Select it and click OK. It's creating the table now. So we can see this. So let's choose our load case, choose the service load case you want, which you want combination, so we can see it, and choose output case and select this. That is from unicorn 19 down to the end. Apply it. So we can see our drift and in various directions. So the minimum we need is drift. So right click on it and choose ascending. So we can see this on the second floor in the direction X, and the maximum, that is descending, we have 0.002, and Eurocode give us a permissible deflection storey drift of 1.5%. So to reduce this is still within the acceptable limit, because still could still be approximated to 2. So to reduce this, we can just add extra shear walls at the top, but this is still within the acceptable limits for me. So this is on the 6th floor especially. You can notice other floors have lesser values. Okay, it's still within the acceptable limit, so I will leave it as that.